Do you want to start your career in Reputed IT company, but having huge career gap? Your pass out of 2017, 15, 13, 2010, 2005. Don't worry, we have been trained and placed many candidates like you. Let's check out the success story. All this candidate has a career gap, but we have trained them from basics to advance of software testing and placed in reputed IT companies. Let's check out our other placement records. We are proud to present the list of companies where our alumni works. To whom you are waiting for? Join STAD Solution and be sure about your future. For more detail, call now or visit stadsolution.com.